Hello and welcome, I'm Josh with USCutter, and today we're going to take a detailed look at each of the USCutter brand vinyl cutters that we have here to offer. Today's video lineup includes the MH, SC2, Laser Point 3, Prism Cut, and then also all three of the Titan cutters. Before we get started, let's go ahead and cover some basics that's going to apply to every single one of the machines today. When it comes to the sizes of the machines, I'm going to give you the maximum size material width that you can feed into it, as well as the maximum width that it can cut across the material. We call these the feed width and the cut width, and they're going to be a little bit different because the motor is going to take up some of the space and not allow the blade to travel from end to end. Each machine can plug into a standard wall outlet using a 3-prong plug, and then the machine will connect to your computer using a USB connection. The Prism Cut is the only vinyl cutter right now that is currently Wi-Fi enabled, so you don't have to connect it directly to your computer using a USB port like the others. All of these machines use the roll-in compatible blades, and for more information on the different angles, the difference between premiums and standard blades, and what you should use them for, be sure to check out the quick cuts videos that we've done on roll-in compatible blades listed below. None of these USCutter machines are made for cutting window tint. You'll need a Graph Tech with the AKZ tint kit or a roll-in machine if you want to cut window tint. Our machines are just not built to handle that much static buildup. Yes, we do sell refurbished machines. These are machines that have been returned for various reasons by a customer or machines that have been used in a demo, training, trade show. Each machine has been thoroughly tested and repaired if needed and will come with the same warranty and support as a brand new machine. Some of these machines support a feature called contour cutting, or what is otherwise known as print and cut. This allows you to load the image into your software and put your cut marks and assign registration marks around the image. The vinyl cutter can then scan these registration marks and to get the exact position of everything and then perform the contour cut. If you want to check out the Quick Cuts playlist of videos, you can see how we do it with each one of these machines here. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the Titan family of cutters. Here at USCutter we have 3 different versions of the Titan vinyl cutters, and each version has an upgrade over the other. But we only make sure that those upgrades are things that you'll need, that way we can keep the price down. Every single version of the Titan will come with this keypad that also includes a digital display that will allow you to adjust the pressure and speed, as well as adjust the origin point and many other setup related things. Each version also has adjustable pinch rollers that will clamp down all at the same time thanks to this bar here, making it easier to keep your materials in line when loading them. You can also notice the white marks on top right here that will indicate the location of the grit rollers down at the bottom so that you can line up each one of your pinch rollers there. It has very fine grit on those bottom rollers, so it's really going to hold everything in place and make sure that you don't mess up when you're cutting. They will all connect to your computer using a USB cable and plug into any standard 3-prong outlet. Each Titan comes with a blade holder, 3 packs of blades, pin tool, USB cable, power cord, and software of your choice for Mac or PC. If you're using the Mac, then you're going to be wanting to select the USCutter software when checking out. With the PC, you can select the Vinyl Master software since it's PC only, but you also have the options for USCutter as well since it also runs on the PC. Now, let's talk a little bit about what makes the Titans different from each other, starting with the Titan, or what I lovingly call the numberless one. The Titan, the one without the number in its name, is a stepper motor cutter with a maximum downforce of 510 grams of pressure. And because this is a Titan, it has a much sturdier frame with a much sturdier stepper motor than your average machine, giving you the ability to cut even the thickest materials like sandblast mask. I've tested it with our Anchor 36mm and was able to cut it with a premium blade in 2 passes with ease. Now, the numberless Titan does support contour cutting, but it doesn't have the arm system. So you will have to manually line the machine up with each registration mark before you start to cut, and to see this in finer detail, check out the Quick Cuts videos we've made for it. Titan also comes in 3 sizes as shown here, with the maximum feed and cut width listed for each. The larger 28-inch and the 53-inch machines come with a stand, but there is no stand for the tabletop version. Maybe you want something that's a little quieter with a little more downforce? say hello to the Titan 2. With the Titan 2, we add a servo motor to the machine so that you now have a maximum downforce of 750 grams and a much quieter and quicker cut. The servo motor makes it especially great for sandblast mask and thicker materials like that, giving you top quality cuts on indoor and outdoor vinyl, adhesive vinyl, and everything else as well too. The Titan 2 has a manual contour cutting feature just like the numberless Titan, so you will have to line up the laser with each registration mark before cutting it like the previous version. We currently offer the Titan 2 in 2 sizes, and I'll show you the maximum feed and cut width here. And both of these sizes do come with a stand. And then we have the Titan 3 vinyl cutter. With the Titan 3, we've got the servo motor allowing the 750 grams of maximum downforce, and that can handle all the basics and the thicker 36 mil sandblast mask with ease. Titan 3 adds small little holes and a fan on the inside that will add a little bit of suction to hold down your materials while cutting them. But the biggest additional feature that we include is the arms contour cutting feature, making the Titan 3 a great machine to pair with a wide format printer. Not only does it support normal registration marks, it also supports barcode scanning when used with Vinyl Master, giving you increased ease of use and even better accuracy when you're cutting. And yes, there is a video showing you how to do this if you want to see that in further detail. If you want a machine that can help grow your business for a lower cost compared to some of the bigger name brands, the Titan 3 is a great machine to have. We currently offer the Titan 3 in 4 sizes that range from the tabletop model all the way up to the 68 inch. And that 68 inch is great when you pair it with a wide format printer, for example, like our HP latex printers. As you can see, the family of Titans are some of the more heavy duty machines that we can offer here at USCutter, and each one comes with a 2-year warranty right out of the gate, with an option to extend that warranty for an additional year when you're checking out. We also bundle these Titans with all types of things, and we're changing it constantly, so make sure you sign up for the newsletter to hear about these first, or just poke around the website whenever you like. All of these machines come with lifetime support for no additional cost, and you can reach our support team at support@uscutter.com if you ever need them. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this. Have yourself a wonderful day.